Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, something on my mouth. So today, barefaced it and all. Drop a comment down below if you know where I got barefaced and all from. But yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys about my skin. So my skin is nowhere near perfect, but I've come a long way. So I'll drop a picture somewhere over here, somewhere to show you, to show you what my skin looked like before. And y'all, that's what your skin looks like when you're eating terrible, you got a nigga stressing you out, like you got a fuckboy just all in your ear just stressing you out. That's what your skin looks like, okay? So I want to show you guys what I use right now, what I do to clear up, what I did to clear up my skin, and then this is also the routine that I use right now. So we're just gonna get right into it. So when I wash my face, I use the Bourbon Skin RX cleansing bar treatment, and it just looks like, I don't know if y'all can see, it looks like that on the inside. And I mean, you can tell like I really use this, like I'm hitting pan, as an influencer would say. I'm hitting pan on this, and I use it along with excuse me, this cleansing brush. I can't remember the name of the cleansing brush right now, but I'll drop it down below, and I have a coupon code for you guys. So yeah, I like this brush because it has multiple heads. So this one I use for my face, and then this one I use for my body, and it's so easy to pop on and pop off. So what I do is run some water, obviously, and I wet the head of the brush, and then I kind of just put it in here. And this comes with what does it come with? It comes with like 2 sponges, but I prefer the brush. It's really nice. So I'm gonna use this all over, and I guess we'll save some water. I'm gonna use this all over. I'm gonna even bring it down into like my neck area because I have some issues with like scarring down there too. And like honestly, I still break out. Oh my god, I'm just fucking all shit up. I still break out, y'all, like I do. But this just helps me control it, and this got rid of a lot of like my hyperpigmentation and a lot of scars. So as you can see, I didn't have on any makeup or anything before this, so this isn't gonna be like too dirty. It's not really that dirty because I didn't do anything today. But like if I had on makeup and stuff, this really gets in and gets it. So I'm gonna rinse this off, turn it off. And I'm gonna let this sit on my face for a good 2 to 3 minutes. You could use it as a face mask. Let me see exactly what it says on here so I don't give you all the wrong information. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, you can allow the lather to remain on the skin for up to 3 minutes as a treatment mask. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. So that's typically what I do all the time. I let this sit, and I rinse it, and I let it pat dry. So I'm gonna let it sit for a couple minutes, and then I'll come back. All right, y'all, so I'm back. I wanna just take a paper towel. I like to use paper towel because it's disposable, and it's not like using a washcloth where I'm like hoarding germs on my face. I used to use a washcloth all the time, and I think that kind of attributed to me like breaking out all the time. But yeah, we're gonna go with this. I'm messing up my baby hairs for y'all. And I kind of just rinse it off, the paper towel, and I'll go back in and wipe up whatever's left. And see, like, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm getting a pimple like right here already. But that's hormonal. Like, I don't think I'm ever gonna stop like breaking out, but at least I got to clear up my skin a little bit. So after this, I'm gonna take another paper towel, just dry sheet, and just kind of pat my face dry. And then I'm gonna go in with this Bolden Nighttime Repair Serum. It is night, but I use this day and night. And it's 10% glycolic acid, and it says it fades dark spots, restores clarity and elasticity and firmness. So I take like a pump here and a pump here, and I just go in. And then I also bring that all down my neck too. anything that I do to my face, I typically do to my neck and chest sometimes. Mostly my neck, but because you don't want to be like 30 and have like a wrinkly neck. So I do that, and then I go in, I let it like dry like a little bit, and then I go in with my Stroke of Brilliance Brightening Serum by Versi, and all this stuff you can buy at Target, y'all. I got all this stuff at Target, except for the brush. I'll leave a link below for the brush, and I have a coupon code for you guys. So I use a couple squirts of that, and I put this oil all over my face. I avoid like my little eye area because I have an eye cream that I use. But yeah, put that all over. And then I fan myself, let it dry like a little bit. And then I go in with the Urban Skin RX Complexion Protection Moisturizer. So that's this one. And this one is really, really nice. I feel like it does not break my skin out like as much as other moisturizers that I've tried. So I'm gonna go in with a squirt over here, a squirt over here. You don't need like a ton of this. And just bring it down into my neck. And that's it. I don't have like the perfect clearest skin or like the perfect routine or the most expensive routine or whatever, but this is what's worked for me. This is what got rid of all those marks that you saw on my face. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.